Ever dream of owning a home that feels like a private retreat, but still close enough to downtown Greenville for dinner and drinks? Well, for just under $1.5 million, this beautiful estate in Pelzer, South Carolina might be exactly what you've been waiting for. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the craftsmanship, the attention to detail, and the way this home perfectly blends comfort and elegance. Hey everyone, my name is Senator Esquivel, your local real estate agent in Greenville and the upstate of South Carolina. And today I'm giving you an exclusive tour of this custom-built masterpiece, crafted earlier this year by one of the top builders in the upstate, Blue Sky Builders. The current price of this estate is $1,455,000, and it's ready for you to be its new owner. If you'd like to schedule a private tour or learn more about this property, feel free to contact me at the phone number on your screen, or you can reach me at any of the contact methods in the descriptions below. And if you enjoy videos like this, where I showcase beautiful homes and lifestyle communities across Greenville and the upstate, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell so you don't miss the next one. Now, let's go see this house. Welcome everybody to this beautiful masterpiece of a house. I'm super excited to show it to you guys and what this house has to unpack, but I figured I'd start outside because we are on 5 acres of land, just a little bit over 5 acres. I think it's like 5.10, 5.11 acres of land. So of course you got some in the front yard and some in the back, but look at this long driveway that leads to the 3-car garage that we'll go check out in just a little bit. But soak it in, look at this beautiful house, currently priced at $1,455,000. Beautiful windows, pretty tall windows. You got your stone siding as well as the hardy board siding as well. And then for the roof, you got your architectural shingles. You got your gutters there. A nice area for those who like gardening. And then look at this walkway. I like it a lot. It leads to the front entrance. You're welcomed into through the double doors. I believe these are about 8 feet high. So you got your nice light fixtures outside, and then you have the wood ceiling. Look at this, guys. 5 acres. That's a lot. But this is definitely a retreat. And then we enter inside the house. You're immediately entering into the living room area. So I like this entrance as well. There's those double doors. And then you have your gas log fireplace. And then these are LVP flooring. I love this color. It definitely keeps the house looking neutral. I don't know, I just love that color flooring, in my opinion. But look at this light fixture. Very beautiful. I'm telling you guys that the builder definitely paid attention to detail on this house. So that's the outside, and we'll go there momentarily. But definitely beautiful house that we're going to be looking at. Right now we're going to be walking into what is considered an office space. You got these high glass double doors. Looking to the outside. Okay, got a nice painting there. Got your light fixture, very nice. And guys, this house is around 38, maybe 3,900 square feet, 4 beds, 4 full baths. This is, I guess, a closet or storage. Yeah, 4 beds, 4 full baths. And right here, we're entering into the laundry room. And then these floorings. This is tile. Got a nice design to it. As I mentioned before, this house was completed in earlier of 2025. Yeah, 2025. So brand new, ready for its new owner. We are now walking into the master bedroom, the primary. So we'll be going outside momentarily, but here's another angle for you to look at. Got some high ceilings, very beautiful. I want to say that this bedroom might be like a 17 by 19 in size. So definitely spacious. And then behind the bed is your master bathroom. Have the exhaust fan going on. Let's check out this, where you take care of business. Let's go ahead and turn this off. But look at the shower, guys. Look at that. And then you have that rainfall shower head. Beautiful. Love it. And then for those who like to get in the tub for a relaxing moment, definitely have that. And then you have the double sink. And then you do have soft shutter drawers and cabinets. Yeah, may need to fix that a little bit, or maybe just taking some time, but anyway. And then you got your gold faucets. That's really nice. So beautiful bathroom, you got your nice tile flooring, not overwhelming. And then you have your master closet. Very high ceilings. And then here's another angle of the closet from the master bathroom. And then depending on if we can close on this, well, I'm sure we can close on this. I'm sure you'll be getting some really nice gifts. So maybe look forward to that. Now through this door, sliding door, is that laundry room that we just walked in through, or two. So another exit from the master. So very nice. All right, let's continue this tour because I know your time is valuable and I don't want to waste it. So look at this dining area, guys. with that beautiful chandelier. This chandelier lights up the whole house, if I'm being honest. But perfect for hosting family, friends, Christmas dinners, Thanksgiving dinners. Definitely have lots of space here. And then nice accent wall there, or shelving. Very nice. And then you have the waterfall countertops, or countertop, should I say. And then appliances are not installed just yet, like the microwave and dishwasher and the refrigerator. The builder is going to be installing Viking appliances, guys. One of the top appliances, I think, in America. So definitely look forward to that. And then you have this beautiful window, you know, looking over your kids playing in the backyard, for those who have children, or just want to take a nice view outside while you wash some dishes in this beautiful sink. So and then of course open concept, and I think we're gonna go this way first. So here we have, which I thought was a half bath, but it's actually a full bath. It has a shower. So, and then nice tile flooring here. I kind of like it. And in here, it feels kind of relaxing. It's not too bright in here. It's, you know, I don't know, I like it. And then to the right of that, you have one of the bedrooms. Got your nice window there. Got your closet. Let's see, yep. Closet there. And then next to it is another bedroom, but this one has a bathroom. So, secondary bedroom for guests. And then you got these nice faucets here, pretty cool. All right. And then of course you have a decent sized closet. Again, it's for guests, but you have a window here as well. Nice window. Got your fan. So for those who like to have guests, family, friends sleeping over, definitely have that opportunity. Let's go outside, because I have a surprise for you towards the end of this video. But look at this, guys. Look at it. And then you have a gas log fireplace out here as well. Hook up your TV and watch some Saturday night, Sunday night, whatever night football in this quiet and peaceful 5 acres. So, and then I guess I'll put a video. Yeah, we're gonna be putting clips of the whole house with the drone shot. All right. And now we're gonna start heading towards, I love this dining room. Heading towards the other half of the house. So this would be considered your pantry. So definitely got some good space there. But I've never been into a pantry where it had a window inside of it. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And then behind it is the surprise that I'm gonna leave for last. Sorry, but that I have to leave that for last. That's considered best for last. And then here we have some storage, but you'll be quite surprised that you have plenty of storage here. So definitely look forward to that. And then here in this section, I'd probably put like a, I don't know, maybe like a bar or something there. So anyway, and then now we're walking into another bedroom with bathroom, full bathroom, should I say. So okay, and of course you have your closet. Good size closet. So, and then we're gonna go to the 3-car garage. So look how much space you have in here, guys, for your vehicles. Maybe 2 cars and a golf cart, but I'm sure you can fit a car through that garage door, but look how much space you have here. Right now we're gonna go through these double doors. You got some storage, but then you have your tankless water heater. Okay. All right. And now we are gonna go to my favorite place of the house, but I just want you guys to just soak this in. Look how beautiful. So definitely look forward to all of this. And then you have your high ceilings here above the kitchen. So, all right, now let's go upstairs. This is where you can get away from it all or make this into a movie room or whatever you want to make this. But look at this. Yes, sir. Got some nice windows, get some natural light in here. But then at nighttime, come up here, get some bean bags, have a massive sectional up here, have a nice movie night. I mean, you can do a whole lot here. I'll bring a pool table even, if you guys can muscle it up here. But this is beautiful. I love it. This would be considered my area. And then definitely have a lot of storage in this house, but if you ran out downstairs, then you got some over here, and that's your furnace. So, but tell me you don't like this. Tell me you don't like this. All right, guys, well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Contact me if you would like to take a closer look at this property. The phone number is on the screen. And if you like everything you saw today and would like to see more of what Greenville and the upstate has to offer, subscribe to my channel because I put videos up every week so you guys can see everything that Greenville, this beautiful city, has to offer. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.